Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm here because I was sitting on the stairs in front of the dome after work and just looked a little bit at the tourists. Got really angry, and I had these moments a lot, and usually I call my sister or my girlfriend to talk about it, and now I decided to make a video from it. And it will probably be a new series if you like it and not. And I will call it GMG, Grind My Gears. So don't forget to subscribe if you like the video and not. Click the like button or do whatever. And yeah, let's get started. In my opinion, for a lot of people, traveling is a 1 week vacation on which you try to see as much attractions as possible and then go back to your daily routine. Hunting for pictures, post them online, get likes, so do very much people. So you have cities fully made for tourists in which they try to sell shit which people who live there won't even touch or look at as specialties from the city, and all tourists buy it. And so the tourists here must made completely to look attractive to them, and no one asks even what's behind. No one cares. It's all about having fun and a good time, and most of all, something to brag about. At how many postcard places you have been, how many specialties you tried. I see people every day spending hours taking pictures of a dome that is under construction right now and has a photograph of itself in front of it, and they make pictures of it. They don't even try to have a look behind these pictures. The important thing is you have something to prove that you have been there. And that's all. This dome plays a melody with its bells. And it's a nice thing. It goes like 5 to 10 minutes, and you have so many tourists standing right in front of it, taking a picture. And go on. They seem like they don't even listen to the melody, they can't hear it or doesn't interest them. I don't know how you can be so ignorant. If you visit a place and it gives you some attractions that has traditions, that is really that place, you can't just ignore it. No one is ever asking anything about it. No one wants to know anything about the place they're at. It's just about having a good angle on your fat ass. You can post on Instagram and then say traveling is life. So fuck you, all you tourists who are ashamed for people who really want to see a country, who really want to understand the people, who ruin places because they're overcrowded with people who just are there to have been there and have no really interest just because some post on Facebook, Instagram, I don't care, whatever, has told you, yeah, you have to be in Amalfi.